Welcome back, guys. So right now I want to use ImageFX. So here we have ImageFX. So I'm going to use ImageFX right now. So you have the ImageFX interface. Then we have to get a script for whatever we want to create. So not just ImageFX, we have Flow, we have Music FX, we have Whisk, we have my library. So we have varieties out there. So we could go on and on to create with all these. We're going to experiment all that. So coming back to my image fx right now, so I'm going to use my image fx to create images for a scene. So I'm going to go to gemini.google.com to get a script out. So let's do a pre-prompt where we get a script out, maybe a documentary script. So let me just do a pre-prompt of what I want to create for myself. So I'll go on and create the script that I want to create. Then when I have the script, I'm going to be able to generate scenes in image formats that I can convert from image to video much more later. So those will serve as my frames on Flow, on Vid. So we can use all that. I'll show you how to do all that in this very course. So right now, let's create a prompt that will give us scenes that we can use, and that will give us voiceover we can use to generate scenes and generate images for those scenes. So let's have a prompt right now. So I have my first prompt that talks about creating a mini war audio script documentary. So here I have the preview of that documentary, but this is not what I need. I need the script of the documentary. That is the voiceover of that documentary. I need it. So I need to further this prompt right now. So let's further this prompt right away. So I was given different ideas. So I see one idea I'm interested in. This is an account of the first minority, and let's just have that as a script. So I'm going to proceed right now. I'm going to write a short documentary script for this right away. So let me create the prompt right now. So after I prompted for that, now we have a scene and script, but we just want the script right now. So I'll say just bring out the voiceover for me. So we just want the voiceover script out. And what I'll do is to copy this voiceover script and go and paste it on Google Doc. So I'll go to Google Document right now. I'll copy this, then I'll go and paste it on Google Document so that I can have it formatted or work on the script much more later. So let's go to Google Docs right away. I'm going to go to Google Docs right now. So here we are, we have Google Docs right here. So all I have to do is to paste my script on Google Docs right away. So I'm going to do that right away. I'm going to paste the script on Google Docs right here. And here's the script. Then I go back to where I was prompting right now. So this is about a Captain Ever. So let's do something right now. So we want to describe the way we want to use ImageFX. So I'm going to describe the whole scenario of how ImageFX works. So let's say we want to convert images to video. We need 8 seconds clip per scene. So what we want to do now is to get images for those 8 seconds scene. So let me explain it to Gemini the way I want it so that we can get those images out for each scene. Then we can convert each scene to videos much more later. So let's get the prompt out. The prompt says split the scenes accordingly to be used on an 8 seconds per screen image to video model. Give me each scene script for an image generator. So we're going to do this. So it's going to give us an image fx script because we have the script and we're going to have an image fx prompt we can use for the script. So that's what it literally means, and that's what we're going to do right now. So we have 8 seconds prompt for 8 seconds clip that we're going to convert those images to prompts. So let's see how this goes. I'm going to copy each prompt that belongs to image fx so we can get it out. Leave your presets. You don't need to change the presets, just leave the presets the way they are. Then all you have to change is your aspect ratio. You could change your aspect ratio to anything, but right now I'm using landscape. I'm working on the landscape project, so I'm going to leave it on landscape. And right here I'm going to be able to switch between my pane. I can only have 4 images as an output. So when I have a prompt, I get 4 images as an output, 4 similar images. Then I get to choose from the 4 similar images. So let me copy my first scene and let me paste my first scene to create my first scenery as an image. So I'm going to create this. This is the prompt that Gemini gave to us. So I'm going to go ahead to create the image for this particular scene. So I'm going to create it right away, and I'm going to be able to get the scene out. So let's do that right away. Like I said, you can get 4 images, 4 similar images for a single prompt. So let's wait for the first four similar images we're going to get. And once we get those similar images, we're going to choose the one that is well suited, the one that feels like the best. So we have these four images right now. Which one would I go for? I think I'll go for the second frame. The second frame looks better to me. So I would rather go for the second frame. All I have to do is to download it. Once I have it downloaded, we are going to proceed to create other scenes right now. So right now I have the first scene. So I could go ahead to the second scene since I've downloaded the first scene. So I'll go ahead to the second scene to create a second scene for this project. So I'll come to my image FX, cancel the previous scene, then paste a new one, then have to create the second scene. So once I have the second scene created, I'll copy for the third scene. I'll go on and on till I get to the 15th scene so I can have the images for the 15 scenes we're going to use to convert to video. But right now, we're going to just create a few and I'll go create the many scenes later on, arrange them in a folder. So this is the second scene. I have to choose one that is well suited. So I have to choose one out of this. I think I will go for this very one. I think this very one is looks better, so I'll rather go for this. All I have to do is to download it. So that's my second scene right there. So I can go for the third scene. I'll create for the third scene right there. And once I create for this third scene, I'm going to choose the one that is well suited for myself. Then we go on and on till we get to the 15th scene. So we can have all the scene for this particular project. Then we'll see how we can convert it to video. We want to generate a full video on Google AI or both AI Studio, AI Lab. We want to do everything here on Google. I hope to see you in the next lesson where we'll get to talk more about this. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.